Hi, good morning everyone. I am Anurekha. I am pursuing Diploma in Primary Education in Sri Krish Teacher Training Institute. Today I am going to demonstrate the sound is produced by the vibrating of the object. For that, material is required is two identical scales and two pieces of the same sizes of paper. So that take two identical scales and make them parallel to each other and place them parallel to each other. I take the two pieces of paper with the same size of scale. I place this paper in between the scale. Hold the one end of the scale is held tightly with your hand and the other end of the scale to be free to vibrate. When you blow the air inside the gap between the scale and the paper, you hear the sound. I am going to do now. Kindly observe it. What you observe from this, when the air is blown inside the gap, you hear the sound. So, what is happening here? It is the air pressure is created inside the gap between the scale and the paper. So, that pressure is travels throughout the free end of the scales to vibrate rapidly. This vibration is created as a sound waves into the oscillation. That oscillation will create us hear the sound. So, the lesser free hand, you hear a faster vibration and high pitch. The longer free hand, that is low pitch, you hear the slower vibration. Thus, this is the experiment shows that the sound is produced by the vibration of the object. Thank you.